Hey kitchen enthusiasts! Looking for the perfect blender to elevate your cooking game? Today, we're counting down the top 5 luxury blenders that are perfect for smoothies, soups, and everything in between. Be sure to click on the links in the description for the best prices. Let's dive right in. First up, the Vitamix A3500 Ascent Series Smart Blender. Vitamix is known for its professional-grade performance, and the A3500 is no exception. It comes with 5 smart program settings for smoothies, hot soups, dips, frozen desserts, and self-cleaning. Its smart technology adjusts blending times and speeds for perfect results every time. This is ideal for those who want to make everything from green smoothies to piping hot soups without a second thought. If you're serious about power and versatility, this one's a no-brainer. Next is the Blendtec Designer 725. Known for its super strong blades and industrial power, this blender can tackle anything from ice to nut butters with ease. It features a sleek touchscreen with 6 pre-programmed cycles including smoothies, salsa, hot soups, and more. What sets it apart is its interactive feedback that guides you to better blending results. This is the perfect choice for anyone who wants a tech-savvy blender with professional power right on their countertop. Third on our list is the Breville Super Q Blender. This high-performance blender is ultra-quiet, making it perfect for early morning smoothies without waking up the whole house. It comes with 12 speed settings and a personal blender attachment, so you can make a smoothie for one or blend up larger batches for the whole family. The Super Q also has a powerful 1800-watt motor, ideal for blending tough ingredients into silky smooth textures. It's great for families or anyone looking for versatility in a compact design. Up next is the Wolf Gourmet High Performance Blender. With a rugged stainless steel design and 2.4 horsepower motor, this blender can blend, chop, and puree with ease. It features pre-programmed settings for soups, smoothies, and purees, and you can manually adjust the speed to get the perfect consistency. This blender is built to last and is ideal for those who love premium kitchen tools with a luxury feel. If you're looking for a blender that can tackle tough recipes and looks great on your counter, this one's for you. Last but not least, we have the KitchenAid K400 blender. This model is perfect for those who want a powerful blender with a classic design. It has a unique 3-part blending system that easily crushes ice and handles fibrous ingredients like leafy greens. Plus, with the 5-speed dial and pulse function, you get complete control over the texture of your recipes. This blender is great for those who love experimenting with different textures, from chunky salsas to velvety smoothies. So, there you have it. Our top 5 luxury blenders for every kitchen need. Whether you're making your morning smoothie, a fresh batch of nut butter, or a comforting soup, these blenders have you covered. Check the links in the description to learn more and find the perfect fit for your kitchen. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. What's your go-to blender recipe?